You walk into a store. Everything looks normal until you look closer. Something is missing. Not out of stock.
Gone, and it's not coming back. In the last few years, products people trusted for generations have started disappearing.
I noticed it in a small hardware store. An old man was buying something unusual. Pure pine turpentine. Not the fake version, the real one. He bought every bottle. I asked him why. He said, "You won't find this soon." And he was right. These products had one thing in common.
They made people independent. First, borax, used for everything, now restricted. Second, real kerosene, burnt clean for decades. Now, not the same. Third, leather oils. Old ones lasted years.
New ones fail fast. Fourth, cast iron seasoning. Grandma's pan still works. Yours doesn't. Yours doesn't. Fifth, lye, once in every home, now hard to find. Sixth, beeswax. Pure is disappearing. And tools are changing too. Old tools were built to last. Modern tools are built to sell. This isn't an accident. It's a pattern. A slow shift from durable to disposable. From self-made to store-bought. From independence to dependence. There was a time families didn't need stores. They made their own soap, maintained their own tools, preserved their own food. But that slowly changed. Not all at once. One product at a time. One shelf at a time. Until one day, you realize something. You don't know how anymore. But here's the truth. The knowledge never disappeared. It's still out there. In old books, in rural communities, in skilled hands. You can still make your own soap, preserve wood naturally, maintain tools properly, and save money doing it. So what changed? Effort, convenience replaced skill. And that's why these products are disappearing. Not because they failed, but because they worked too well. Think about it. If something lasts forever, you only buy it once. But if it breaks, you keep coming back. That's the system. Quality went down, prices went up, and skills disappeared. Your grandparents knew this. They fixed things. They made things. They reused everything. We replaced everything. And now, we depend on everything. But here's the good news. You can reverse it. Not overnight, but step by step. Start small. Learn one skill. Make one thing, and build from there. You'll spend less, depend less, and know more. Because real power is knowing how things work, not just buying them. So ask yourself, what did your family know that you forgot? Tell me in the comments, what do you remember? And what will you try? Because next time, we're going deeper into forgotten methods that still work today before they disappear too. Empty shelves, old tools, handmade, work fading, products, hopeful sunrise.